Did you know that when you lose money trading, someone else on the other side wins? Now, who's that person on the other side? I am on the other side. If you come unprepared to the market, my workplace, with the intention of taking my money, believe me, professional traders like me will take your money. It is our job to take your hard-earned money. You might think that you know a lot about trading because you read a book or bought a course from someone who knew how to teach you trading, but the fact is they're probably losing money to the market too. Now, how do I know that? Well, my name is Meir Barak, and I've been a professional trader for the past 22 years. I started out just like you did, and after going through years of despair, I was lucky enough to be mentored by professional and institutional traders. Now, I trade live on YouTube each and every day. I'm sharing my screens, my trade ideas, my profit and loss, and nobody else does that. Why is that? Simply because they probably have something to hide. The secret to my success is mastering the trading methods of the institutional traders. Right now, I want to teach you the most important rule of them all. It's just one rule that will change your life. I'm inviting you to a lesson where I will teach you to it right now. This simple rule will transform the way you trade. Trust me, it's a life-changing lesson for each trader. Click the link right here to get started. And the best of all, it costs you nothing. So what do you have to lose? Click the link right here and I'll see you on the other side.